Hey, it's been a while. It's a new year. Finally did snow. We had a Christmas that was like in the 70s. Winter finally caught up with us, so for how bad it's going to get, it's kind of early on still. Our front porch is kind of set up like a bridge, and it looks neat as the snow is raising on it, but now that it's getting closer to like 2 feet, I'm kind of worried that it may cause some damage. I'm going to go out there and shovel it, or I'm actually going to try the leaf blower and see if that works first, and then I'll go to the shovel. About 1.5 feet, or almost 2 feet. It's probably 2 feet there, 1.5 feet over there. And out there somewhere is a road. Break time. Come on.
What time is it?
Break time. It was actually a little deeper than I thought. It was a little drop down. But yeah, I could do without the snow. Also, something to check out is the Life of 2015. It's a video I make each year of kind of a collage of everything I've done professionally and as much as I can show, and just the vlogs and random videos I've taken within a year, and try to smush it into like a 1 or 2 minute video. It's pretty fun, and you can look at some of the past ones here. I'll put a link. Yeah. See you later. I still kind of have a bit of a cold, so I have this like voice thing going. When you turn the camera and you do this.
I don't know. I don't know. Freestyling.